That's your leg. Keep that leg. Damn.
Let's get back up to your feet. You gotta get your head out, get your head out. Good, reset there, reset, Bryant. Reset. Now good, let's get into your setups.
Circle.
Circle in, stay inside his tie. Hey, try to work your arms inside. Work your arms inside.
Circle.
Work in. Good, there you go. Now work inside the arms. There you go, good. Now let's see the setup here. I see him moving. Where's your movement, Bryant?
That boy, a spider.
You gotta finish that thing. Let's work something here, Bryant. Hey, look for a slide by here. Look for a slide by. Once he starts pushing in, he's gotta start pushing in though. You gotta set that up. You can't just go for it like that. You gotta set it up. Break the wrist. Sprawl. Nothing yet. Try to
Stop the head. Try to leg out.
Try to work around him. Keep working. All right, now belly up. Let's work a stand up here. Hey, you got 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Let's go.
Keep moving.
We're gonna stand up. Head up. Build up. No, don't turn into it. There you go.
Turn into him.
Hey, 10 seconds.
Keep going.
10 seconds.
Break the wrist.
Keep moving. Get away from him. Get away. Stay in. Good. Turn in. Oh. Hey, good job.
Choose it down.
Break him down.
You gotta break him down flat. All right, you're good. Good, now he starts pushing in. Slide by that. Turn, there you go.
There you go. Settle. Keep fighting his head. Keep the head.
Hey, build up. Hey, come around this way. Left arm up. No, stay on your knees.
That's so easy.
Keep fighting here, Bryant. You're good. Keep going. Now, hey, hip up and back. Go into his head. Hip up into his head. All right, now let's build up.
Peel it off. Look the other way. Keep fighting.
Look up here. Everybody. Head up when you're down the mat. Head up. When your head's down, that's when they can throw that half in. Head up.
Keep that leg.
Hey, you gotta circle around him. Right, there you go. Keep driving. Step up with your right leg. Now drive in. Drive into him. Keep circling. Build back up. We got 20 seconds. Hey. Right. What do you want to go? Neutral. Hey, let's be good in our stance right here. Hey, let's try to work a tilt right here. Let's work our tilt series. Chop that arm in, get 2-on-1.
Head out.
Work your arm through his body. There, keep fighting, Brian.
Keep fighting, don't give up.
Keep fighting. Almost there. Good job.
There you go.
Good job, Brian. Head up. Hey, look away from him.
Look away, peel up, look away.
Hey, look away.
Almost head's right there.
Hey, get the arm through that. Left arm through the body. Get your left arm through his body.
Hey, lift your head up. Look up.
Now, hey, let's work the build up here.
There you go. Keep looking up. Don't look down. Look up. Right, look up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Take that. Finish.
Hey, break away. Get you one.
There you go.
All right, now see a good takedown here, Brian. Head up. Now see a good takedown. He's pushing into you. He's pushing in. Let's slide it by. You gotta get the wrist off you.